Welcome back to Break of Day. I'm Jay.
Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn about something we use every day. The days of the week. Knowing the days of the week is important because we use them to talk about what we do every day, our plans, and even past events. So let's get a start. There are 7 days in a week. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Monday. Say it with me. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Next is Tuesday. Repeat. Tuesday. Next is Wednesday. Not a Wednesday, but Wednesday. How to pronounce that? Wednesday. Repeat after me. Wednesday. Okay, very good. Next is Thursday. Repeat after me. Thursday. Very good. The next is Friday. Repeat after me. Friday. Okay, very good. The next day is Saturday. How to pronounce that? Saturday. Repeat after me. Saturday. And last is Sunday. How to pronounce that? Sunday. Repeat after me. Sunday. Very good. Great. Let's say them all together now. From Monday to Sunday. Now say with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Very good. Well done. But did you notice something about these days? The first 5 days, Monday to Friday, are what we call weekdays. What's that? Weekdays. Most people go to school or work on these days. And then we have Saturday and Sunday, which make up the weekend. These are usually rest or fun days. Now that we know the names of the days, let's talk about how to use them in sentence. When we talk about a specific day, we use the word on. For example, if you want to talk about an event happening on Monday, you would say, I have class on Monday. Let's look at some more examples. When talking about events on specific days, we always use the preposition on. For example, I have a meeting on Monday. We go to the park on Sunday. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I have a meeting on Monday. We go to the park on Saturday. Excellent. Next, when you want to talk about something you are going to do in the future, we use the present continuous. It's like saying, I am doing something on this day. For example, I am visiting my friend on Wednesday. Look at the next example. They are going to beach on Sunday. Did you notice how I said I am visiting and they are going? This shows something you have already planned to do. Let's practice together. First one is, I am visiting my friend on Wednesday. Next one, they are going to the beach on Sunday. Good job. The next is, when we talk about things we do regularly, like a routine, we use the simple present tense. For example, I go to the gym on Mondays. Next one is, she studies English on Fridays. Now you try. Repeat after me. I go to the gym on Mondays. Very good. The next one. She studies English on Friday. Great work. Remember, we use this tense when we do something again and again, like every Monday or every Friday. Next, now let's talk about the past. When you went to talk about something that happened before, we use the simple past tense. Let's look at some examples. We met on Tuesday. Repeat after me. We met on Tuesday. Look at the next example. He called me on Sunday. What's that? He called me on Sunday. When you are talking about something that happened already, like a meeting or phone call, you use the past form of the verb. Let's practice together. We met on Tuesday. Repeat after me. We met on Tuesday. Very good. Look at the next example. He called me on Sunday. Again, he called me on Sunday. Well done. You now know how to use the days of the week to talk about the past, present, and future. Okay, this is practice time. Now let's practice together. I'm going to show you some pictures and I want you to tell me which day something happens. What day is the doctor's appointment? That's right. The doctor's appointment is on Thursday. What day is the soccer game? Yes, it's on Saturday. What day is the birthday party? Correct. It's on Friday. Now, let's quickly review what we learned today. We learned the names of the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Also, we learned how to use them correctly in sentence. First one is, we use preposition on before the day. Look at the example. I have class on Monday. Next pattern that we use, present continuous, to talk about plans. Look at the example. I am visiting my friend on Wednesday. Third one that we use, the simple present for routines. Look at the example. I go to the gym on Mondays. The last pattern that we learn, the simple past to talk about the past. Look at the example. We met on Tuesday. That's all for today. Keep practicing your days of the week and using them in sentences. It's important to practice speaking English every day, just like you practice the days of the week. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. And subscribe to Break of the Day for more lessons. Bye-bye.